friends, it's Kelly and I'm back with another project share. Today I don't really have a process video or anything like that. I just have a couple of projects that I've created using this adorable die set. I'm kind of in spring and Easter mood. I've been in a spring and Easter mood lately and wanted to create some Easter cards. So this is a product that was sent to me by a company called Globleland, and I've done a few projects using their dies and stamps lately, so I'll link those below so you can see the other things that I've done. But this is one that I just received recently, and this is the image that I pulled off of the website, so that kind of gives you an idea of what you're working with. It's super cute. And if you go check out Globleland and put in my code, which I will link in the description box, you'll get 10% off. They're already amazing prices, so that is a awesome deal, so you should go check it out. So I'm using this die set, and I'm also going to be using this stamp set, which this is the stamp that I am using today. But this says Hello Spring. I could use that. I might actually stamp that in one of my other projects. Happy Mother's Day. Thinking of you. Celebrate new beginnings. Happy birthday. Thanks a bunch and get well soon. So a very versatile little stamp set, and they stamp really nicely too. And there's also this little I don't know what you call that, just like a little floral bit. So super cute and very useful for lots of different occasions. So let me show you my projects that I've created so far. I do plan on doing a scrapbook layout with this too, but this is one, and oh my goodness, is that not adorable? So the parts of the die set that came from Globleland are the bunny, the flowers, the flower headpiece, the egg, and the carrot you kind of see here in the background. I used some of these flowers for my own stash. I used an embossing folder, and this little frame was just a rectangular piece of white cardstock, and I cut a square out of the middle of it. So super easy. But I wanted the little bunny rabbit to be peeking out from something because the die set doesn't give you a body. So you get the little feet, and you get the ears, the whiskers, the paws, the snout, and these cute little glasses. You get two different styles of ears. You get just the long straight up ears, and then the little bent over ears, which are super cute. And you get these, which is the flower headpiece right here, which you see here. And I just did some inking, and I kind of used a watercolor technique. You get the bow, you get the insides of the ears, the carrot, the egg, these are the eyes, and this is the insert, like the inside of the ears for the bent over ears. So, but you don't get a body. So I wanted him peeking out from something, and I love how this card turned out. I think it is adorable. And then I just used a bunch of like greenery dies that I had in my set. And this is the one that I was saying, I have not stamped it yet, but I think I'm gonna stamp Hello Spring in this one. So that will be a very cute little card. And here is my second project using the same die set, and it's kind of the same idea. And what I love about this is everything was from scraps. Like everything that I did, this whole card is from scraps. And I used another embossing folder on this piece of white cardstock and just created a frame. I used the little bow. I used the flower headpiece kind of in a different manner this time. The carrot in a different way. The little paws are holding the carrot. And then this one has the bunny ears sticking straight up, whereas this one shows the bunny ears folded over. So cute. So those are the two projects that I've created. I've also created this little, I'm going to use this probably on a layout. So it's just going to be used as an embellishment. And I just wanted to kind of show you the little glasses in black. And then here you see the little glasses in pink. Aren't they so cute? And this is him holding the little carrot. And so there's that. Here's another little Easter egg that I use stickles on. And these are the little feet. So I didn't use the feet on the cards, but I was looking at this and I totally could. I could put it right there and it would be cute. Like his feet are sticking out, like he's underneath the little box or something. I don't know. That would be cute. You could totally do that. So that is all that I have with this die set today. And like I said, be sure to check out in the description box below. They have tons of cute Easter and spring dies and stamps. And go check them out. Globleland is awesome. And oh, I forgot to show you. I did stamp the inside of this with Happy Easter, and I colored in the open bits with a pink colored pencil, which I don't know if you can really see that, but just another little detail. And that is it. I did put the frame on some foam adhesive so it came up off the page a little bit. And I really like how these turned out. So have a great day and thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box for the products that I used and the coupon code. Thanks for watching. Bye.